Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix unsend message on Messenger not working problem. So in here, the first thing that you can do is open the Messenger apps on your phone, and in here, for example, I want to unsend this message right here. So if you guys can see, click on more, there is unsend button, so you can unsend a message on Messenger. You can choose to unsend for everyone or only for you. So let's try to click it. You can see my unsend message has no problem. So if you find that you couldn't unsend a message, you can try these two solutions. So first, you can go to the Play Store in here, and you need to make sure that the Messenger apps on your phone is already on the latest version. So you can see my Messenger apps is on the latest version, so I don't need to update. And after that, if it's already updated, you can go to the app info. So you can try to clear the cache and also clear data on the messenger. So click on the app info. Here you can go to the storage and cache. Let's try to clear the cache first. If it's still not resolved, you can try to clear the storage. Just click on delete, and you can restart the app and see if the problem is solved. But if you still cannot see the unsend button, that probably because you are blocked by that person, or you are not friends on Facebook with the certain person. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.